Hello guys, for today's video we will do this Brazilian straightening from Cativa Alisado Brasiliano. First of all, we will wash my hair using this Brasiliano Fresh shampoo from Cativa. And we will dry my hair through this blow dryer. After drying the hair, we will put this Brazilian straightening mask. Divide your hair into 2 halves and apply the Brazilian straightening mask, being careful to leave 1/2 centimeter from the root. Then with your hands, spread the product along hair and down to the tips, covering all hair. Make sure the cream covers all hair evenly. The cream should not touch the scalp. Let the product sit for 15 minutes. At the end of the exposure time, remove excess cream with a comb. Remove only excess with hair comb. Then I will dry again my hair. And the hair must be dry. Okay, make sure that there are no Brazilian straightening mask residue left. Then I will start ironing my hair. I will wash my hair using No. 3 shampoo and the conditioner. You must rinse your hair with plenty of water, then dry hair with a blow dryer. This product has thermal memory, therefore it's recommended to use the blow dryer daily to enhance the straightening treatment's effect. This is my hair now. What do you think? Thank you for watching.